Resource management. Resource management is important to every industry. Through optimizing the resource use, your company can save costs, increase profit margins, and contribute to environmental protection. Through monitoring carbon emission data and identifying reduction opportunities, your company can improve operational efficiency and tap into the market trend of low carbon transition. If you're not very familiar with the related information, your colleagues from administration and operations could help.